In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become an all-star host on Turo. Whether you're a new car sharing enthusiast or a seasoned pro, aiming for all-star status can unlock benefits, increase your bookings, and enhance your experience on the platform. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow to achieve this prestigious level. First things first, you'll want to log into your Turo host account on Turo. Once you've signed in, make sure to familiarize yourself with the layout of your host dashboard, as it's going to be your base for all things hosting. This is where you'll manage your listings, keep track of bookings, and monitor your performance, a crucial aspect of maintaining and achieving all-star status. Providing excellent service and communication is key to maintaining a high rating. Guests are looking for seamless experiences, so ensure that you communicate effectively, answer questions in a timely manner, and strive to exceed their expectations. Little things like being on time for key exchanges or keeping your vehicle well maintained can significantly influence guest feedback and, in turn, your ratings. Keeping your vehicle's calendar updated and promptly accepting bookings is another important step. Regularly checking and updating your vehicle's availability ensures your potential guests have the most current information. This reduces the chance of cancellations due to outdated availability and improves your standing with potential renters. When a booking request comes in, be responsive. Prompt responses not only boost your ratings but also demonstrate reliability and commitment to hosting standards. Adhering to Turo's hosting standards and policies is critical. Familiarize yourself with the guidelines and rules set forth by Turo. This includes understanding the platform's requirements for vehicle cleanliness, insurance, and guest interaction protocols. Staying compliant with these standards will aid in avoiding penalties or issues that could affect your hosting status. To reach All-Star Host status, you need to earn a minimum number of trips while meeting Turo's outlined criteria. This generally includes maintaining a high rating, a healthy response time, and a consistent booking acceptance rate. The more you know about what's required, the closer you'll get to achieving this milestone. It's worth taking the time to review the criteria regularly. Finally, keep a close watch on your progress via your host dashboard. This valuable tool provides insights into your performance metrics, helping you track how close you are to achieving all-star status. Monitoring your progress allows you to pinpoint areas for improvement and adjust your hosting practices accordingly. Achieving all-star host status on Turo may seem challenging, but with dedication, attention to detail, and a commitment to excellence, it's entirely within your reach. By focusing on providing outstanding service, staying engaged with the Turo community, and consistently monitoring your performance, you'll be well on your way to becoming an all-star host. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting!